Hi, good day, M6177. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Royalyn De Leon, 40 years old, married, Roman Catholic. I have 4 children. The eldest is 19 and the youngest is 17, 14, and 8. Um,
Your educational attainment.
I'm a college undergraduate. I'm a computer secretariat.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have 5 years experience in Philippines. Uh, we have 3 children and couple.
Okay. Ages of the children
Uh, 14, 10, and 3 years old.
and other household chores that you do.
Washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and taking care of baby.
Okay, you are also car washing, right?
Yes, once a week, sir.
How many car?
One only.
And you are also taking care of pets.
Yes.
What kind of pets?
Dog.
How many?
One only.
One only. So you know how to take care
Yes,
of
sir.
pets. You are know how to car wash, right? But you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby. So my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
Check first the temperature, the tummy if hungry, then check the diaper if full.
But by the way, you know how to prepare a milk for a
Yes,
newborn.
sir, because I have 4 children.
Okay, so you are the one
I
who
have some
took care.
experience. Yes, sir.
So you are the one who took care of them
Yes.
since birth. Okay. If the baby is still crying after you did all of your efforts, what will you do?
I will call my employer because the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Highest salary and richest country.
So you want to work in Hong Kong because
Yes,
of the
sir.
high salary to support your family, right?
Yes.
How long do you want to work?
2 years or 3 years if my employer is need me.
So it is okay to you to extend your
Yes,
contract.
sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have, sir, but I'm willing to learn on how to cook Chinese food, watching YouTube and reading books because I love Chinese food.
Okay. So, and also if you have an employer or you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir, because I love Chinese food.
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employers have prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday, it is okay to you to work?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets?
Yes, sir,
How?
because I have pets.
Okay, how about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir, it's okay because I have experience on my mom.
Disabled elderly is okay to you?
Yeah, it's
Helping
okay,
them get
sir.
to bed,
Yes,
to the
sir.
bathroom? Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir, I want to learn Cantonese.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Please choose me, Madam and Sir. I'm honest, trustworthy, responsible, and um,
Can you promise that you will take good care of your children
yes, sir.
and also follow the rules and regulations?
Yes, sir. I promise to follow the rules and regulations.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss
you.
Realine. Thank you.